Winter. Yes, winter is no less than a horror scene in a movie for a psoriasis patient. If you have psoriasis and it is the time of winter, you may notice your symptoms worsen as colder and dry weather hits. More itching and flare-ups are common in winter, and psoriasis patients often complain about these stubborn white silvery flakes and red patches on different areas of their body. Consuming a diet that certainly goes against your psoriasis condition may trigger psoriasis more and worsen the symptoms to an extent. Diet is what makes your body. A disease lives with a wrong diet, meaning if you consume a diet that triggers inflammation, can make your psoriasis a real-time enemy. But don't worry, this video will tell you what diet suits you the best in winter and can soothe your psoriasis symptoms. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ishu, a practicing skin doctor at Bharat Homeopathy. In today's video, I will discuss what diet you should take in winter and which food items you need to avoid. Well, diet is a major contributing factor that can trigger psoriasis in people and can also cure your psoriasis if you start following a healthy psoriasis diet. You might have seen that psoriasis has cooler and drier characteristics that resemble winter and has a less moisture-locking tendency with cracked and withered skin. People with psoriasis find their day-to-day lives in complete chaos during winters due to intense itching and rough and flaky skin. You apply so many ointments, moisturizers, oils, and topical lotions that sometimes do their job, but in winter, they fail to give you a better result. Again, diet makes a complete treatment, keeping your gut healthy and effectively managing your psoriasis. So let's discuss a winter diet that can amazingly subside your symptoms and offer you scales and patches-free winter days. The first and most crucial is to add healthy fats to your diet during winter. See, during winter, what happens? Your skin becomes dry and rough and lacks moisture and natural oil. If you start adding healthy fats such as omega-3 fatty acids to your diet, it will help regulate immune function and soothe inflammation. Omega-3 has been seen to improve various autoimmune disorders such as psoriatic arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, atopic dermatitis, Crohn's disease, etc. It acts as an immunomodulator and manages psoriasis effectively, especially in winter. Now I will suggest some foods that can boost your system with omega-3 fatty acids. You can consume 1 teaspoon of flax seeds, chia seeds, a handful of walnuts, hemp seeds, soybeans, etc. This powerful antioxidant diet can bring your psoriasis under control during winter and offer other vitamins and minerals too. The second is green leafy veggies. Yes, green leafy veggies are a great option for you during winter if you have psoriasis. These are packed with a load of minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. Plus, green leafy veggies are easy to digest and gut-friendly, meaning they are abundant in fibers and low in calories. You can consume spinach, coriander, cabbage, kale, broccoli, lettuce, etc. Now third, it is a very important dietary tip. You need to consume vitamin D and zinc-rich foods. Vitamin D is a proven vitamin that regulates immune function and corrects the autoimmune disorder. You can take sunbathe for 20 to 25 minutes during winter. If it is not possible, then you can consider adding fortified plant-based vitamin D food items. In case you are not able to fulfill your vitamin D intake, then you can take vitamin D3 supplements after consulting with your healthcare provider. Foods rich in zinc and selenium are also helpful in managing your psoriasis. You can consume pumpkin seeds, Brazil nuts, pecan nuts, moong, rice, etc. These foods will boost your zinc and selenium intake and offer you better gut health and fewer flare-ups in winter. Now the fourth dietary tip is to add carrot and beetroot juice. These two veggies are full of vitamins and antioxidants. Carrot is rich in beta-carotene, vitamin A, whereas beetroot is rich in folate, vitamin B9. And both veggies also have good amounts of B vitamins, minerals, and vitamin E. You can drink a fresh juice of carrot and beetroot daily in winter. This will turn your system with a load of antioxidants, benefit the gut, remove the free radicals, and thus detoxify your system. So, if you want to calm your flare-ups, then mind consuming 300 ml beetroot and carrot juice daily. Drink ginger and turmeric water mixed with honey in winter. Yes, ginger and turmeric both have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Turmeric has a chemical compound called curcumin, which is a strong and potent anti-inflammatory, whereas ginger has gingerols, shagalls, and gingeron, which have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. If you start adding them to your daily diet regime, then you may see a major improvement in your psoriasis scales and patches. Alright, I tell you how you need to take ginger and turmeric daily. Just take a glass of warm water, add a fresh juice of ginger and turmeric, and a teaspoonful of honey. Mix them thoroughly and drink sip by sip. This will keep your system warm and reduce the flare-ups. Hydrating yourself during winter can also offer great relief for psoriasis. I know, in winter we drink less water than we usually drink in summer, but your body needs enough water to hydrate the skin throughout the winter. You can drink warm RO water that keeps your system hydrated and warm even in the winter. You may consider adding a plate of salad containing seasonal veggies like carrots, radish, spinach, and cucumber. Seventh and the last dietary tip is to add chamomile tea, green tea, and herbal tea. Chamomile tea has anti-inflammatory and microbial properties which not only improve your psoriasis but also keep you infection-free. Plus, chamomile tea is an adaptogenic drink that manages your stress level and calms your mind. So, if you have psoriasis and the winter begins, then you should try out these healthy tea options. Well, I have discussed all the healthy dietary food options that you should try in winter. Now, I will guide you on what food items you should not consume during winter if you have psoriasis. You should not consume processed and fried food items such as pizza, burgers, pasta, etc. You should not drink caffeinated drinks, soda, alcohol, etc. Try to avoid processed and refined sugar and salt. You must not smoke. Try cutting out nightshade vegetables such as brinjal, potato, tomato, etc. Restrict all the dairy food items. You should also avoid consuming animal protein, refined wheat flour, and bakery food items. Well, I have told you what you should eat and what not. See, a healthy diet is important, but with a holistic treatment options that fulfills your treatment goal. If diet combined with medicines that work on your constitution can offer you permanent relief for psoriasis. Okay, let me make it simple for you. See, diet is important and it has a key role in controlling your psoriasis flare-ups, but it can't give you permanent relief. If you want to get over your scaly and patchy skin condition, then you need to consider a holistic treatment approach, and this can easily be achieved by homeopathy. Yes, homeopathy has a prominent role in disease control, management, and cure if followed correctly. Homeopathic medicines offer constitutional treatment, not a symptomatic one. It treats the patient as a whole and brings a great improvement in psoriasis. Bharat Homeopathy is a real-life example of the homeopathic system of medicine, having successfully treated thousands of patients worldwide with a strong track record of positive patient feedback. Experience smooth, clear skin without scales and patches, no matter what the season is, winter or summer. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe to Bharat Homeopathy and share it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks. Have a great day.